Number 1. Have a claim. It means to assert that something is true or is a fact.
He has a claim on the property inheritance. He has a claim on the property inheritance. She has a claim for the insurance money. She has a claim for the insurance money. The company has a claim against the supplier. The company has a claim against the supplier.
Number 2. Have a conversation. It means to have an exchange of thoughts or information.
We had a conversation about future plans. We had a conversation about future plans. They had a long conversation on the phone. They had a long conversation on the phone. Let's have a conversation about your work. Let's have a conversation about your work.
Number 3. Have a decision. It means to make a choice or come to a conclusion.
I have a decision to make about college. I have a decision to make about college. They finally have a decision on the venue. They finally have a decision on the venue. The jury will have a decision by tomorrow. The jury will have a decision by tomorrow.
Number 4. Have an excuse. It means to have a reason or explanation for something.
She always has an excuse for being late. She always has an excuse for being late. He had an excuse ready for not finishing homework. He had an excuse ready for not finishing homework. They have an excuse for every missed appointment. They have an excuse for every missed appointment.
Number 5. Have a grudge. It means to maintain feelings of ill will or resentment.
He has a grudge against his former boss. He has a grudge against his former boss. She doesn't have a grudge after arguments. She doesn't have a grudge after arguments. I don't want to have a grudge over this. I don't want to have a grudge over this.